What up, YouTube? Today we got something pretty cool for the Jeep JL. We're gonna go pick up some tire sensors, and we're gonna go get them installed on some new Rubicon wheels and tires. Big thanks to my father-in-law. Yeehaw! Okay, we got the tires and wheels loaded up in the back of the truck. We're gonna take these over to tire discounters. We got these bad boys from rubitrucks.com. These have less than 100 miles on them. They are brand spanking new. They're takeoff parts of a Rubicon. What they don't come with is the low pressure sensor. We got to get those installed. We ordered those from CJ Pony Parts. We're taking these to tire discounters. They're going to install these for us because we don't have the parts and tools to do that. So let's get to it. All right, just got the tires loaded up with the sensors. Tire discounters, Nicholasville Road. Good job, quick. Let's go put them on. Here is the final product of the new look. These things are the stock Rubicon wheels and the BF Goodrich KO2s that come on the Rubicon. About a 32.7, almost 33 inch tire. We're gonna say 33 inches because that sounds cooler. Fits on the factory carrier. But man, that changes the look of the Jeep 100%. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Peace.